Discover the future of electric mobility with groundbreaking vehicles redefining adventure, like the all-terrain Exotek Exogravity and solar-powered Aptera. From rugged bikes to futuristic concepts, eco-friendly innovation awaits. Goodyear Aero. The Goodyear Aero is a groundbreaking 2-in-1 tire that brings us one step closer to making flying cars a reality. This futuristic wheel doesn't just roll, it transforms. Let's start with its innovative design. The Aero tire uses a non-pneumatic structure, similar to the iFlex tire. This means it's flexible enough for smooth driving on the road, yet robust enough to help vehicles take off into the air. The real magic lies in its multimodal tilt rotor system. This feature absorbs tension while doubling as an aircraft propulsion system. Essentially, it helps the vehicle transition seamlessly from driving on the ground to soaring through the skies. But that's not all. The Goodyear Aero is equipped with artificial intelligence. This AI collects data from the environment and the vehicle itself. Based on this information, it determines whether the car should stay on the road or take to the skies. While this might sound like science fiction, Goodyear is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Aero tire combines innovation, practicality, and cutting-edge technology, making it a key player in the future of transportation. The Goodyear Aero is more than just a tire. It's a glimpse into the future where roads and skies may merge. Citroën Mobility Vision. Citroën's mobility vision is reshaping urban transportation by prioritizing comfort, customization, and accessibility. The concept is built around two main elements: the Citroën Skate and its interchangeable pods. The Citroën Skate is an electric, autonomous platform designed to glide smoothly through dedicated city lanes. Equipped with advanced sensors and safety features, it ensures a secure and reliable ride. The real innovation lies in the pods, which provide tailored experiences. For example, the Soffle and Voyage pod offers a relaxing mobile spa, while the Power Fitness pod lets you work out while traveling. There's also the JC2 City Provider pod, which turns into a mobile workspace. This modular system encourages shared mobility, reducing the reliance on personal cars and helping improve traffic flow. Citroën's vision presents a future where urban travel is not only efficient, but also enjoyable and adaptable to individual needs. Terrafugia TF-2. The Terrafugia TF-2 is a revolutionary innovation in urban air mobility. It seamlessly combines air and ground transportation to redefine how we travel in busy cities. Its standout feature is its 3-in-1 design, which includes three key components. The EV2 aircraft for air travel, a passenger module that connects both modes, a ground vehicle for road transport. What makes it remarkable is the detachable pod. This pod effortlessly transitions between the aircraft and ground vehicle, providing passengers with a continuous, uninterrupted journey. No switching vehicles, no wasted time. The TF-2 is powered by a hybrid electric system, with plans to move to full electrification in the future. It offers a cruise speed of 143 miles per hour and a range of up to 185 miles, making it both fast and efficient. Safety is at the core of its design. The distributed electric propulsion system ensures stability and reliability. It also offers versatile landing options, even in challenging situations. The TF-2's lightweight carbon fiber fuselage adds durability and efficiency. With modular functionality, the vehicle can adapt to different needs. Looking ahead, autonomous piloting is part of its ambitious roadmap, making travel even more user-friendly. The Terrafugia TF-2 isn't just a vehicle, it's a new way of thinking about transportation. With its focus on sustainability, efficiency, and convenience, it sets a new standard for modern urban travel. Allweatherbike. Few inventions rival the brilliance of the wheel, but the Allweatherbike takes things to a whole new level. This isn't just any bike, it's a groundbreaking, covered e-bike designed for all weather conditions. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of eco-friendly transportation. What makes the Allweatherbike a game-changer? Let's start with its most innovative feature, the sliding roof. It's like a convertible car, but better, because it's on a bike. Imagine cruising down the road, enjoying the fresh air, and then suddenly, a rainstorm hits. No problem, just slide the roof into place, and you're instantly sheltered. It's like having your own personal mobile umbrella. This e-bike is all about versatility. The design ensures you stay comfortable and protected, no matter the weather. It combines the freedom of cycling with the practicality of staying dry and covered. And let's not forget, it's eco-friendly. The Allweatherbike keeps you moving while keeping emissions low. It's perfect for daily commutes, leisurely rides, or even exploring nature without worrying about the forecast. The Allweatherbike is more than just a bicycle. It's an invention that redefines how we think about cycling and sustainability. Whether it's sunny, rainy, or somewhere in between, this e-bike has you covered, literally. Exotek Exogravity E-ATV. Meet the Exotek Exogravity E-ATV, an extraordinary electric all-terrain vehicle built with a mission. This innovative ride is designed to empower individuals with disabilities, offering them a new sense of freedom and adventure. Unlike traditional mobility devices, the Exogravity goes beyond just convenience. It's crafted to tackle challenges that would typically be impossible for standard electric wheelchairs. From rugged bike parks to uneven terrains, this vehicle thrives where others fail. At first glance, it might seem like a regular all-terrain vehicle. But take a closer look, and you'll notice its unique design and purpose. The Exogravity combines robust engineering with cutting-edge technology to ensure it's not just powerful but also safe and comfortable for users. The secret lies in its advanced suspension system and durable tires, which handle obstacles with ease. Whether it's steep inclines, rocky paths, or muddy trails, this vehicle ensures a smooth and controlled ride. What makes it even more remarkable is how it's tailored for mobility-impaired individuals. Its user-friendly controls and ergonomic design make operation simple, allowing users to focus on the thrill of exploration. The Exogravity isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of breaking boundaries. It brings joy and independence to those who once felt confined by their mobility limitations. With this electric all-terrain marvel, adventures are no longer out of reach. The Exotek Exogravity E-ATV is changing lives, one trail at a time. Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle. The Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle is revolutionizing eco-friendly transportation. Its unique design and cutting-edge technology make it a standout option. This vehicle primarily runs on solar energy, allowing it to travel up to 40 miles a day without needing an external charge. Perfect for daily commutes or short trips, it significantly reduces your carbon footprint. The Aptera's ultra-lightweight body and aerodynamic shape give it an impressive range of up to 1,000 miles on a full charge. That means you can travel long distances without the fear of running out of power. With a top speed of 110 miles per hour and rapid acceleration, the Aptera delivers an exciting driving experience. Inside, you'll find a spacious, high-tech interior designed for comfort, ensuring a pleasant ride for both the driver and passengers. Starting at an affordable price, the Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle offers a blend of sustainability, performance, and comfort. It's not just about going green, but also enjoying the ride. Fox eMobility Mia 2.0. The Fox eMobility Mia 2.0 is a clever little electric vehicle from Germany. It's a light electric vehicle, or LEV, designed specifically for urban areas and last-mile delivery. Compact, versatile, and innovative, this vehicle is making waves in sustainable mobility. Let's start with its size. The Mia 2.0 is just 10.5 feet long, around 5 feet shorter than a Honda Civic. Its small, agile design makes it perfect for navigating crowded city streets. Plus, it's adorable, which is always a bonus. One of its standout features is the central driving position. The driver's seat is right in the middle of the cabin, with 2 passenger seats located behind. This layout not only feels futuristic but also means you'll never argue over who gets shotgun. The Mia 2.0 is incredibly flexible. It includes smart partitions and offers after-sales options that allow the vehicle to be modified for different needs. You can easily convert it from a passenger car to a pickup truck, a mobile coffee stand, or even a compact delivery van. This adaptability makes it a fantastic choice for small businesses, last-mile deliveries, or personal use. Its design isn't just about function. The Mia 2.0 brings a sense of innovation and creativity rarely seen in vehicles of its class. It's efficient, sustainable, and ready to handle the challenges of urban mobility. The Fox eMobility Mia 2.0 proves that big ideas can come in small packages. Whether you're zipping through city streets or running a small business, this tiny electric car is packed with possibilities. Rungu Dualie Fat-Tire E-Bike. Say goodbye to wheel bite and hello to futuristic design with the Rungu Dualie Fat-Tire E-Bike. This incredible three-wheeled electric bike is built for extreme off-road adventures, pushing the boundaries of personal transportation. What makes the Rungu Dualie stand out is its innovative double-wheel design at the front. This unique setup provides unmatched stability and control, even on the roughest terrains. Whether you're navigating through sand, mud, or rocky trails, the Dualie ensures a smooth and secure ride. The key to its success is the advanced articulated steering system. Unlike traditional bikes, each front wheel can track independently. This means when you take tight turns, the inside wheel grips the ground instead of sliding out. The result? Better handling and no more wipeouts. But the Rungu Dualie doesn't stop there. With an incredible 242 foot-pounds of torque, it powers through steep inclines effortlessly. It feels more like riding an ATV than a typical e-bike. Whether you're climbing rugged hills or cruising through tough landscapes, this bike is ready for the challenge. At first glance, the Rungu Dualie might look like something from the future. But it's very real, and it's here to transform the way you explore the outdoors. Rugged, reliable, and revolutionary, this Fat-Tire e-bike is redefining off-road adventures. Terrain Hopper. Experience true adventure and freedom with the Terrain Hopper. This electric all-terrain quad is a game-changer for individuals with physical limitations. It's designed to conquer terrains that traditional wheelchairs and mobility scooters can't handle. From deep mud and soft beach sand to snow, rocks, and steep hills, the Terrain Hopper takes on challenges effortlessly. With nearly 10 inches of ground clearance and a 35-degree climbing capability, it's built to tackle the great outdoors like a pro. Imagine having a mini Land Rover at your fingertips. The Terrain Hopper lets you reclaim your independence and join in outdoor activities with friends and family. Whether you love hunting, fishing, camping, or hiking, this vehicle is your ultimate companion for adventure. What makes it even better? The Terrain Hopper is classified as an other power-driven mobility device. This means you can take it anywhere pedestrians are allowed. Public beaches, state and national parks, hiking trails, and even sidewalks are all accessible. With the Terrain Hopper, there's no need to hold back. It's not just a mobility aid, it's your ticket to exploring the world without limits. Jet Shark. The Jet Shark is a groundbreaking subsurface marine transportation vehicle. It's an evolved version of the Seabreacher watercraft, designed to deliver a thrilling experience by combining the speed of a boat with the maneuverability of a submarine. This new model is significantly larger than its predecessor and is powered by a strong Kodiak Marine Corvette V8 engine, providing incredible performance on both the water's surface and below. Inside, the spacious air-conditioned cockpit can comfortably seat 4 adults. It features twin piloting controls at the front for easy navigation. The 2 large gullwing doors offer panoramic views, which can stay open for a relaxing ride or closed for high-speed underwater adventures. In terms of cost, the Jet Shark is expected to range between $200,000 and $300,000, depending on the selected features. RU eTrike. The RU eTrike is a compact, eco-friendly transport solution built for busy urban areas. It's designed to reduce congestion and cut down on emissions in crowded cities. Powered by a 3.7 kWh battery, the RU offers a 60 km range on a single charge. It combines the agility of an e-bike with a few car-like features. Its semi-enclosed cabin offers protection from the weather, though it doesn't have doors. For safety, it includes back and neck support, along with a seatbelt, ensuring a secure ride at speeds of up to 45 km per hour. One of the RU's standout features is its patented tilt technology, which allows smooth cornering. Its lightweight aluminum frame also makes handling easier, especially on cycle paths and in tight parking spaces. In addition, The RU eTrike has a 25 kilograms cargo capacity, making it ideal for daily commutes or running errands around the city. It's a practical and eco-friendly option for urban transport. Alumicraft Sportsman 2. The Alumicraft Sportsman 2 is a rugged off-road buggy built for those seeking high-performance adventures. This two-seat, long-travel buggy comes with a rear engine configuration, designed to conquer even the most demanding terrains. One of its standout features is the variety of power plant options available, supporting up to an incredible 1,500 horsepower. With its impressive suspension travel, the Sportsman 2 delivers a smooth ride, even over the roughest off-road conditions. It's perfect for dune chasing or cruising through desert landscapes. For enthusiasts looking for recreational off-roading rather than racing, the Sportsman 2 offers the freedom to explore the outdoors with top-tier performance. Whether you're tackling the glamorous dunes or cruising along desert trails, the Alumicraft Sportsman 2 is engineered to provide an exhilarating and unforgettable ride.